No ID, no passport scan, no waiting for approval. Just open your laptop, connect your wallet or email and start trading. That's the dream for a lot of people. And today I want to show you the best places where you can actually do it. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. After giving you my picks for the best non-KYC crypto cards and also the best ways to cash out crypto anonymously, I decided to record another video about trading anonymously in crypto. This time, I'll talk about the best exchanges that don't require KYC. Make sure you hit subscribe and like this video if you enjoy content like this, because I've got plenty more coming. Before I jump into the list, let me just explain quickly what without KYC really means. I know most of you already know this, but for anyone new, KYC is the process where exchanges ask you for your identity document, like your passport or ID card, before you can trade or withdraw. When I say no KYC, I mean you can trade and move your money without even giving away your identity. First, let's talk about Apex. In my mind, this is the most exciting platform right now. Apex is a decentralized exchange that gives you the same feel as centralized one, but with full privacy. No withdrawal limits, no KYC at all. Everything is managed by smart contracts on-chain, so it's transparent and safe. What I really like is that your positions are not publicly tied to your wallet. That gives you extra privacy when you're trading. Apex also supports trading synthetic US stocks, not just crypto. That means you can buy and sell tokenized stocks with USDT 24/7, no market hours, and still no KYC. They have deep liquidity, up to 100x leverage on perpetual contracts, and even fast listings of new pairs before many competitors. I think that's huge. They also have something called Alpha Radar, which is basically AI-powered trading intelligence. And if you don't feel like trading yourself, you can use their vaults to mirror top traders and earn yields. I saw some official vaults with APYs around 30 to 40%, which is insane for passive income. So if you want to try Apex out, click the link in the description of this video. If you're a new user, you'll also be able to join their campaign with bonuses and rewards. Alright, let's move to Dydx. This is another decentralized platform, but it's focused mainly on perpetual futures. You just connect your wallet and start trading. No registration, no ID checks. I like how professional the platform feels, with fast execution and deep liquidity on big pairs like BTC, ETH, Link, and Uni. The downside is that it's not available in the United States or Canada, so you'll need to check if it works in your country. Now let me talk about Hyperliquid. I think this one has become really popular lately among people who want to trade futures without giving up their privacy. Hyperliquid is a decentralized exchange that actually runs on its own blockchain. You just connect your wallet and you're in. No sign up, no KYC at all. They have over 100 pairs and you can trade with leverage up to 50 times. Fees are low too, around 0.01% for makers and 0.035% for takers. And you don't pay gas fees on trades. What I really like is how fast the execution feels. It honestly feels like a centralized exchange, but it's not. So similar as Apex. Another option is Bisq. This is a peer-to-peer exchange that runs on Tor. It's slower and the liquidity is not huge, but it's the most private way you can buy and sell Bitcoin with fiat or altcoins. There are no accounts, no central servers, just direct trades with other people. I personally see Bisq as a good backup option if you want to stay fully off-grid. Finally, I just need to mention Avantis. This one is built on the base chain. The main draw is high leverage, up to 500 times on crypto, which honestly is more than I would ever touch. But I know some people like that kind of risk. What stands out for me is that they push a zero-fee model on big pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. That means you can open and close trades without paying the usual taker or maker fees. I think that's really attractive for active traders who move in and out a lot. It feels smooth, cheap, and still no KYC. In my mind, Avantis is one of those platforms that could grow fast, especially if you're already using the base ecosystem. Now, I know a lot of you always ask me about fees, because that's where many exchanges really get you. So let me give you a quick breakdown. On Apex, the fees are super low. Maker fee is about 0.02% and taker fee is 0.05%. What I really like is that you don't pay gas fees when trading on Apex Omni. And after you connect once, you don't have to approve every single trade with your wallet. That makes it fast and smooth. Fees are very similar in other places too. So in my mind, fees are not really a deal breaker on any of these. They're all cheap compared to old school exchanges, and the privacy you get makes it worth it. So guys, those are my top picks for trading crypto anonymously this year. Apex is my #1 choice, especially with all the extra features like stocks and AI tools. But basically, all others I mentioned are solid options. I think everyone should at least test one or two of these platforms just to see which style fits you the best. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these no KYC exchanges have you tried? Which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And don't forget, if you want to try Apex, my link is waiting in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.